All right, everyone. This video session is to guide you through the installation and usage of our school management app. So once you get this link through your email you sent to us, just download, click on the link and download. All right, just download. So download and save it in one of your folder, maybe on the desktop or anywhere. Let me put it on the folder in my desktop. So I'm going to put it on one folder in my desktop. All right. Okay, let me put it here. So yeah, so this folder is going to download there, the link. So once you get the link, that is your app. So it's about 2.7 to 2.8 MB. So click here, then this is this. So you can run the app directly from the folder. So you can just double click on the app, click on run. It's very simple to install. Next, click on next. So the app is finished. Once you click on finish, you see the app as a shortcut on your desktop. So click finish. All right, good. So this is the app that manages your school fee. So let me quickly walk you through on this app. Very simple, seamless, lightweight application, and of course far better than using the Excel, which is our usual and a popular software to manage our school fee. Remember, once again, this application is to manage your school fees and some other payment as well. So let me quickly walk you through this app. So this is dashboard. So at a glance, you can see the app and see everything that happens in your school with regards to school fees, your total student in the school, expected fee, amount collected, collection day, collection rates, total debtor, amount owed, other payments, total revenue you have gotten. Then you can see the class summary of each class. So that is the first thing you have to do, just to check the dashboard. Now the first thing you do is to register the students in the class. So create class, click on class. So let me delete this. So add class. So let me add basic 1. How much are they paying? 40,000. So save. Let me add another class, basic 2, and they are paying 45,000. Let me add one more class, basic 3. So they are equally paying, let's say, 50,000 in that class. So I've added 3 classes. So you can add all the classes you have in the school to manage this fee. After that, then we need to also register students in each class. So let me delete these 2 students. So click on add students. The name Idris Shogunle. Now the admission number here, you have to put your admission number if there is any in your school, AW/2020/001. So this one, if you don't have, you can make use of the auto-generated, but you can equally use your school admission number as you register each student. So go to class. This one is in basic 1. Then the parent number. For those school who wants to integrate SMS, you need to install the parent number. So Mr. and Mrs. Idris. So phone number 44. So I've saved this. Let me register one more student. Adeola. Adeola Abdullah. Adeola Abdullah, you can give the admission number as well. 2020/002. So select basic 2 male Mr. Adeola. For those who are interested in using the app to send immediate SMS to the parents after payment, so this area is very, very important. All right, save. Okay, let me register one more students just to make it 3. Then I have Idris Solia. Okay, so the admission number, if you don't want to use this, you can have your own as well. I've mentioned AW 2020/003. Then basic 3, female Mr. Idris. Then the parent number as well, Sigo with this. Then you save. Now, lest I forget, the first thing you have to do before I move on to this is the setting of your school. So the software comes with the name of your school customized and locked. So you can't change the name of the school since you sent to us. Now, the year, you want to use this app for this year, 2025/2026. All right. Term, maybe third term. Now, if you want to use SMS notification, you must have the API key for that SMS provider. So you can discuss that with your engineer, or you discuss with us as well to enable this particular, but you need to get the SMS provider, you need to register with them, and you need to also generate the API key. So if you have done that, then the sender ID, we're going to put sender ID of your school here, maybe Luaris. Sender ID should not be more than 11. Most of the provider. All right. So then the provider you are using. So I'm using Tami. If it's Twilio or any other one, then they will generate for you after you have registered with them their API key. So put that one here. So, but we are not enabling it here. So put that one here. We have our own. Copy the API key and put it here. So save. All right. So I'm done with the setting. Okay. So the next thing you do now is, let's check the remaining payments. Nobody has paid. Installments, no installment. Then other payments. We have for some other payments that can be of record, not to issue receipts, but to have it on your record. If somebody is paying for uniform, paying for books, excursion, you can also add exam fee. So you can click on this. So you can have it here. This is PTA. If you want to add PTA, and if it is books, if it is excursion or exam fee, so anyone can quickly add that one as well. Then you can see the class analysis as well. That you can see basic 1, basic 2, and you can see the number of students there, how much they are paid at a glance. So you can see them at a glance. How much have they collected in basic 2? So this can be to charge the teacher in that class that in your class most students have not paid. So debtor can see that because you have not posted for any, they are all still owing. Then we have the backup and restore as well is there. If your system got crashed, don't worry, you are covered. The backup is there. You can back up in 3 places. One, you can back up on this PC, can back up on external drive, you can also back up on Google. So whichever one you want to choose out of the 3, you can choose it to back up so that when your system got crashed, then you can easily launch the app again and restore all the data that you have in the former one before it got crashed. Then after that, done the setting. All right, so let's go back to the dashboard. Now let's now start using. You can even see the payment chart. You can see that basic one nobody has paid, basic two nobody has paid. The class summary for each of the classes, it is this class students, how many do we have there, expected income from that class, how many of them are paid, what is the rate of payment in each class. All this can be seen at a glance. Other payments, there's no other payments here. Total debtors. Now let's start posting now. So what do? Go to payments, click on record. Now I'm going to pay for this. Is this Solia? So I want to pay the whole of 40,000 for that class once. All right. If it's on discount, you put the discount there. Then if it is cash, back transfer, POS, check, or online payment, you signify. Then date of payment. Then if the child is giving a discount, you can tell the reason for giving a discount here. Don't worry, I'm going to text for another child with a discount. So if it is installment payment, you put it there as well. But this one is a full payment. So click on save. Good. You can see that when you click on save, you can save the PDF, you can print. All right. So if you want to save to PDF, click on save to PDF. So you can open a folder on your desktop, then save the receipt with the name of the girl. Maybe Idris or Solia. All right. So you save it on the folder on your desktop. Save. So anytime you want to print, you can go ahead and print. And if you just want to print without save, so click on print. All right. So click on print, select your printer, then click on print. So this will be printed. It comes with the receipts, and of course it's called the receipt number, admission number, class, payment date, payment method, amount paid, everything is there. So this can be printed, the time of payment, everything is there. So you can print this and give to the child. So let me cancel this. Let me go back to my dashboard. So let's post for another child. Payments, record. Let's place for Adiola. Abdullah is in basic 2. They are paying 45,000 naira there. But if child is on discount, maybe discount of 5,000, and it's an installment payment, maybe you pay only 20,000 first. Add the installment payment. So you can save it. You can see that the discount apply is here. Aha. Which is amount paid 0 because you have not. Let me go back. You can just go back to that place. And you can see. So go back and edit that for the child. So okay. Okay, go back to the record for the payments for the Adiola Abdullah. So he's been given previous 5,000, then he's paid 20,000. So and the 20,000 of course is installments. The date he paid, and the discount is because probably it's a scholarship or staff child. Staff child. Okay. So you can save. All right. So you can see that you can view, you can save, click on print. So all right, you can see that you have 45,000 total school fee, total paid 20,000, total discount 5,000, outstanding balance 25,000. So all right, let's post for another child. So the first time he did not pay anything. The second time he paid this. That is for the first installment. So all right. So let me have the third child, this Solia. You are paying 50,000 in that class. That one paid maybe 40,000. Then the date of payments, no discounts. The note is optional. So then click on save. You can print as well. So the receipt will show the total school fee for that class, total paid 40,000 and the outstanding balance. Now, if you look at all this now, at a glance, as the owner of the school or the proprietor of the school, you can at once go to your dashboard. What is our expected fee for this tab? 135. How much have you collected? 100,000. Collection rate 74.1%. Total debtor 2. Amount they owe is 30,000. Total revenue for, at least for now, is 100,000. So you can at a glance see the charts, and you can see the class summary. For basic 1, only one person there, they have paid 100%. Basic 2, one person, he has paid 20, remain 45. So basic 3, 50, he has paid 40. So you can at a glance see the number of debtor ones, those that are not owing ones. So then if there are other payments in your school, this will also capture it. So let's go to other payments. Other payments. So maybe the child pay for maybe PTA, for instance. PTA maybe for a particular term. So click on record. So go to that place. The PTA, maybe PTA levy, and the child pay 5,000 naira for the PTA. So note PTA fee. So then click on save. You can see. So if you go back to your dashboard, you see that under the other payment, you have 5,000, and it will add to the total revenue for that school. So your money cannot get lost. You can at a glance know what is happening. So this brings us to the end of this. Then for the backup, I've shown you the backup. So everything there we have done, the class analysis, you can see. The class analysis, you can see for basic 1 alone, how many students there, how many have they paid, basic 2, basic 3. You can check them one after the other. Then you can look at the debtors as well at a glance. So at a glance, and you can send a reminder once, the number of classes, the backup, the setting. Very flexible to manage your school fee. So thank you very much. So feel free to get back to us. Infolab Technology Service at Alagbado. We are specialized in various IT training, software development for small, medium business, large, medium, and large scale business as well. So SMS2 for small, medium size, for schools and for company. So we build flexible system for them to manage their businesses. And of course, we specialize also in building robust websites, application to manage your business. Thank you very much. Feel free to contact us 080-7288-9844. We are at AIT Road, Alagbado, Lagos. If it is software, if it is tech for your school, Infolab is ready to offer you the best service. Thank you for your patronage. Thank you. God bless.